So we got an iPhone XR. This customer right here really caught us at a good time. And if you see this, just know we mess with you. So y'all, it is currently 6:51. And we just gonna see how fast we can get this done. Let's do it. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna take these screws out. Now we disconnect the cables. Now we're gonna take this ear speaker off and put it on the new screen. Now that everything's put together, let's go ahead and throw the screen on. It is currently 7:01. So if you think this was a good, make sure y'all like, comment, and follow for more. And don't forget to book y'all appointment. We out.